I am so excited to announce that I'm launching a membership. Today we're taking a deep dive into everything you will get inside of the Social Media Lab.
So you're probably wondering, what is the Social Media Lab and what can you get inside of it? So the Social Media Lab was created specifically for people that use Canva for their business. Whether you're a creative, content creator, business owner, I wanted to make a place where we could all come together, learn more about Canva and other different design tools, and also learn how to make money with those design tools. So inside the Social Media Lab, on the left is where you'll find everything that is necessary to move forward. So we have our place where you can go in and talk to other creatives. You can ask questions to the group. At any point in time, I'll always respond. I have all of my ebooks in here, and I continuously make ebooks. So I thought, why would I just keep selling each one of these individually when I can put every single thing that I have into one plan? Next thing we have is the social media news. This is where I'll share everything social media news related. You'll hear it first from me here. The next thing we have is the toolkit. This is super important. This is literally where you will find every single thing that I use for my business. Next thing we have is AI. So in the AI section, this is where we will basically start our whole process of creating content to sell. Whether that means creating ebooks or even just creating a template, we start everything using ChatGPT in the AI section. Then we have our Canva section, and in the Canva section, it's obviously just tutorials and tips. We have a space for newbies. We have a space for people that are more advanced. Doesn't matter what your skill level is, you can learn Canva inside of this membership. Then we have a whole space for Procreate learning. So if you are someone that wants to learn how to use Procreate for your business or even just for fun, all of my tutorials are in here. Now, we're going to use Procreate a lot whenever we are creating things to sell online. So this is a big one to know for your passive income strategy. The next thing we have is a space for content creators. I know a lot of us want to be content creators. I made a place where you can learn how to make money as a content creator and just share some creator news, because I do know there's a lot of people that follow me that are content creators. Then we have a space to collab. So if you want to collab with other content creators, you can go in, talk to other people. It's so cute, and you guys can collab together. Then we have our monetization station. Yes, please. This is where we'll get into everything print on demand, digital products, anything passive income sales. So this is where you're going to spend most of your time, unless you want to learn some kind of design tool outside of that. Then we have our space for fonts and colors. This is where I get into showing you guys how to create color palettes, how to create fonts, and how to monetize off of both of them. Last, we have our business growth section. This is just a space where I'll share my favorite apps and softwares for my business. And circling back, Social Media Lab I made because I have so many different tools that I offer, and I wanted a place to just put everything together because I'm so over just selling 100 different things to you guys. So now everything that I offer besides Canva College is all inside here, and this is the only thing I will have that I will be selling moving forward. Comment lab below if you want a link to join the membership. See you guys inside.